to my channel and welcome to episode 4 of the Free the Forehead series. So guys, y'all already know the deal. Let's go ahead and unbox this wig together. The wig that they sent me, this wig is 24 inches. It is their kinky curly headband wig. And then they also sent me a bunch of different colored headbands that I can wear with the wig. So they sent me a really cute lavender purple color. They sent me a nude one, which I actually love nude taupe colors, so I'm really happy about that. They sent me a white one, a black one, and a brown one. All colors that I can utilize in my everyday, day-to-day life. So y'all know I'm a gym girly, and I absolutely love if I am gonna wear a wig to the gym, or even if I'm gonna wear my hair out. I love that whole like headband look. So cute, so cute. So we got options, y'all. We got options. Also added in 2 stocking caps, an edge brush, and an edge band. So guys, this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. This is the texture. Like I said guys, it is a kinky curly texture. So this is what it looks like. And inside the wig, they also gave me another white headband. So there we go. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see the construction of it. It's kind of like an invisible hairline in the front. I'm not gonna lie guys, this looks a lot like a half wig. I have to check. Actually, let me go ahead and check my email because this might be a half wig. It looks so much like a half wig. So let me check real quick. So I just checked my email and this is actually their kinky curly half wig. So it's not a headband wig, but the way I'm gonna install it today, I'm gonna show you guys the headband options and how you can install this wig with absolutely no leave out. So as you guys see, I do have my hair prepped in a bun, a really tight bun. Y'all know my hair's starting to grow back now, it can fit in a bun, so I'm hype about that. But I do have my hair prepped in a bun right now. I went to the gym a little bit earlier, so this install is going to be absolutely no leave out. One of the easiest wig installs that I've ever done on my channel. So again guys, let's go ahead and try this wig on. I had to give that big curly look, so I did go ahead and pull the curls out a bit, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and install it. Since my hair is pretty much prepped, we're just gonna put it on top of this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the combs that are in the front. There are 2 combs directly at the top of the wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and push those into my hair at the top, just like that. And then there are also combs on the sides, so we're gonna do the same thing on the sides, both sides. And then there's a comb in the back too, so I went ahead and pushed that comb in the back. And then the wig is still a little bit big for my head, but since there's this drawstring elastic band in the back, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it really tight. And then I'm gonna secure it, pull that little button right there. I'm gonna push it all the way up to secure it. And now you can see just how much this wig fits. This is what the wig looks like right out of the box and on my head after I've pulled it out. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I love this big curly look. And like I said, I am doing a no leave out look, so I'm gonna be utilizing the headbands that they sent me. First thing first, I'm going to try this hair up in a ponytail and see how it looks. I just want to show you guys the versatility of this wig and how you really can do whatever you want with these half wigs, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the hair up into like a pineapple type of style. You don't know when you wear your natural hair out and you put your hair up in a pineapple. That is what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to add the headband around it. I'm taking that edge band that the company gave me because I'm pretty sure that a scrunchie would not fit around all this hair, y'all. So I'm just taking that edge band that they gave me and I'm wrapping around all of the hair. Just to cover up the weft around the edges, I'm gonna go ahead and take that white headband that they gave me because I have on a white shirt. And I'm gonna try that one on with it first. I don't wanna get any makeup on it. My makeup girlies already know we are good for getting makeup on just about anything, right? How cute is this? For my natural hair girlies that like to wear their hair up in a puff, but you wanna give your hair a break, this would actually be super, super, super stinking cute. For my gym girlies as well, I am a gym girly, so this is a style that I would most definitely wear to the gym. Let me turn around so you guys can see what the back looks like. It's very much giving my hair grew overnight. It's very much giving I did a twist out and I just want to wear it up in this like little pineapple ponytail type of thing. Like, I think this is so cute. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I love a good ponytail, but this is so stinking cute. I'm not even gonna lie. I love how my edges are still out, so if I'm out, nobody will know if it's my real hair or not. And also, if you wanted to wear the ponytail a little bit lower, this is how it would look. Went ahead and switched the ponytail to a little bit lower so you guys can get the gist of how it looks. And y'all, I think it looks so stinking cute. I also added on the purple lavender headband, and y'all, the lavender is my favorite color. So yeah, I think this wig looks so cute when it's up. It's very much giving a more natural look, something very natural, super cute. For my natural girlies or my girlies just transitioning and you do not want to wear your natural, your little puff out yet, this look will be perfect for you. Now guys, let me go ahead and take this look down. How the hair looks when it's down. I absolutely love how big this hair is. I'm a big hair girly. I don't get to wear big hair that often, but y'all, I love me some really big hair. And I think this looks so cute in its natural state. It is kinky curly, so it's super big, but once you wet the hair, it gets really nice and tame. So we're gonna get into that a little bit later, but I do wanna get up close so you guys can see. I did have my hair prepped already, so my baby hair is everything. All of that was already done. I literally just had to plop this wig on my head and there you go. That's it. That's all I had to do. Like I said, I did preview a few other half wig videos on my channel, so I wanted to make it a little bit different. I didn't want to do the same exact thing for this video. I really wanted to show you guys just how convenient it is and how you can wear this wig with absolutely no leave out, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the purple headband with this as well. They gave me so many cute little colors, so let's try this one on with it as well and see what it's given. The purple one is even cuter, y'all, honestly. That's how big the hair is, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and wet this hair up and I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like. Hey guys, so I went ahead and took it off my head and I wet the hair completely and I went ahead and combed through it, and this is what the curl pattern looks like now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the same way I did before. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I really like this feature around the front. It's like an invisible hairline. They went ahead and covered the front of the weft with some hair. So that's a really cool feature. Let's go ahead and put this wig back on again. Again, just go ahead and clip it in the front. Clip it on the sides and in the back. And it's just that easy. Literally, you can install this wig in like 3 minutes. Now, if your real hair was out in the front, you could use that to camouflage this hair in the front. But like I told you guys, I am going to be showing you how to do a few different styles with absolutely no leave out. If you want to see a video of me installing a half wig with leave out, you can check out episode 2 that dropped 2 weeks ago, and that was a half wig as well, and I did like actual leave out and showed you guys how to blend it and stuff like that. So again, guys, this is what the curl pattern looks like once it is wet. This is a whole look. Like, this is a whole look. I actually like how the curls look when they are wet. I'm kind of conflicted though. I don't know if I like it in its natural state better or when it's wet. I think they both look super, super cute. But yeah, guys, this is how the wig looks when it's wet, and it also has the headband on it. It looks super, super cute. It's super convenient. You can literally put this wig on in less than 5 minutes and go. It's one of those wigs that if you have somewhere to go and you don't have no time to do your hair, you can literally just pop this thing on, tighten up that drawstring elastic band in the back, and you can literally get out the door in like 10 minutes. So I was almost done filming this video. Well, I thought I was done filming this video, but I actually want to show you guys how this wig would look if you pull it to the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take those clips in the front, and I'm going to push them a little bit further on my head, as well as the clips on the sides and in the back. So I'm going to do this wig like an invisible hairline type of thing. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut a little bit in the front to shape my face. You could also cut like some bangs in the front and do like, you know, like the no part look. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, y'all. Y'all know, look, I say this in every video, I do get a little scissor happy. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down to maybe like an 18-inch, y'all. I'm gonna cut this down just a little bit more so I can give like that afro look. Same thing with the other side. I am, like I always say in most of my videos, I am very, very scissor happy. I start chopping, I get a vision, I start chopping, and this is the result of it. This is the result of it, y'all. So this is what the wig looks like after I added a little bang action in the front, and I clipped the hair to my liking around the rest of the head. Y'all, this right here is my, what's that Soulja Boy song? This right here is my swag. All the This is giving very much skater girl. Now this one is really giving SZA. Like I could see SZA wearing something like this. Like it's giving a look, y'all. It is giving a look. And I will say you can also still wear it as a half wig. If you just push it back and put the headband on the front, you can still very much wear it as a half wig. You can still take your leave out and blend it in with this and it will still be a look. But y'all, I'm loving this like bang look. I'm loving it. I think it looks super stinking cute. We hope that UNice is not mad at me for cutting it up like this, but y'all the viewers, y'all know once I get an idea in my head, I have to execute it. Like I have to execute it. But this is just me showing you guys just how versatile this wig really is. And y'all, let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. Do we like the no part look, or do we want to do a side part, like a flip over? Do we want to do something like that? Because we can do that too. Like, what is it? What do we want? What do we want? I do think out of all the looks that I showed you guys today, the no part look with like the little bangs that I cut may be my favorite look out of all of them. So that was 3 ways that you can wear a half wig, headband wig with absolutely no leave out and still have a really cute style. Let me know down below what you guys think about the 3 styles. Do you guys prefer no leave out, or do you prefer leave out with your half wigs? Do you prefer convenience or no? I will leave the details to this wig as well as UNice Hair Company's wig website down below in my description box as always. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in episode 5. Bye guys.